Flying a Bell 407 is ultimate freedom. Living here in Los Angeles, anybody knows that it could take you an hour to go 12 miles. And when you have the ability to go skids up and fly over all those people stranded on that freeway with music playing and friends having good conversations, there's one thing money can't buy, and that's time. And that's what we get back when we fly a Bell 407. I'm Jimmy DeSisto, Bell helicopter pilot. I have a Bell 206 Long Ranger and a Bell 407 GXI. What a dream. Power would probably be the first thing that comes to mind amongst maneuverability. You know, you can put 7 people and have full fuel on that 407 and still not worry about over torquing that thing on takeoff. The best is your son saying to you or daughter saying to you, "Hey Daddy, I've got a soccer game in Phoenix next weekend. Can we use the helicopter to go to your game?" And the answer is always 100% yes. So being able to transport these kids for their sporting events, whether it's down in San Diego, up in Santa Barbara, we use it religiously. Many times to the Bell Training Academy with my favorite instructor, Brian Hooley. Nobody cooler at the stick than Hooley. To be able to go there once a year and do full down auto rotations, it just gives you peace of mind. I mean, these helicopters couldn't be more reliable and will most likely never have to use those skills in real life. But if there ever was the need for it, we know we're gonna sit down and be fine. I don't care where you are in this country, you're gonna have support just like I have here in LA for any parts, service, or good technicians, that even Bell technicians that will come to your hangar and analyze something for you that may be popping up on your screen. I wouldn't buy any other helicopter but a Bell. And that comes from the experience of the company, the people of the company, and the support that we get. It's just a wonderful family that you belong to once you own a Bell helicopter.